All right, guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mind. We're just about to check in with our 4 hour bar. Let's go. Here we are. We're just coming in, and a new hourly bar has arrived. What have we done here? Well, let's go take a look. We've been talking about this. We might have a crossing here on our. All right, I'm watching this like a hawk. We might have a fake out though, guys. It could be just like this right here. Look, see that? And then we have the push down lower. We could do this. I'm saying that that could happen. It's very easily that could happen. So here we are. We're waiting to see. Are we going to have these white and green bars just as we seen here, right there? That's what we need to see, the ending. And we watching out for this. We might have these double dips right here. We could get a double dip. So I just want you to watch out for that. Okay, so we're just watching the chart now to see what it's going to do. We've updated our RSI. It's crossed the middle metric. I changed the color to white here. It's just kind of starting to show it's getting a bit better for a bottom. We still haven't seen a bottom yet. It's getting better. Volume, we still don't see good volume yet. So we're still sitting on the sidelines. It's still only 1 p.m. our time. So another 3 hours, we might get a better confirmation. We'll have another, or 4 hours, we'll get another bar. So let's just keep watching this. Peace and love, guys. Just sit on the sidelines. Could be a good historic moment, right? Like I said, this is our trade thing, right? We've got to see these three things. That MACD has got to do that. We have to see this volume, and we need to see this reversal on the RSI. We talked about this. We need to see a big reversal. So, and what's our setups? Well, 81 and a possible fall away to 73. It's possible. I mean, we have April Fool's Day coming up here, right? And I said this, April 1 and 2, we got to confirm that there's a rally and it's going to have to start moving back up here. Does it have to hit all these numbers? Nope, not right away, but we need to see a confirmation of a rally, and this confirmation right here. We need to see all three of these things. Otherwise, on the sidelines, okay? And we're going to be watching for this big move up here in this breakout right after the 18th and 19th. We're expecting something to happen after this period, and no later than the 30th, be out. All right? And you can get Bitcoin too. Peace and love, guys.